Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let's start with a simple truth. Free apps aren't really free. Every time we download a free app, we're entering into a business exchange, even if no money changes hands. This presentation explores how these apps generate revenue behind the scenes, the psychology that keeps users engaged, and what this means for both customers and businesses. Most users believe free apps are a generous gift of technology, a way to access tools, entertainment, social connection without paying. The assumption is that developers make money elsewhere or that the app is just a passion project. This perception fuels massive adoption, but it is built on incomplete information about how these apps actually sustain themselves. In reality, free apps are sophisticated monetization engines. They collect user data, sell ad space, promote in app purchases, or drive subscriptions. The product isn't an app, it's the user, you. Every tap, scroll, and share generates data that can be monetized. The business model is built on attention, engagement, and behavioral insights. Free apps fall into several categories. Ad supported apps rely on banner or video ads. Freemium apps offer basic features for free but charges for premium upgrades. Data driven apps monetize user information through analytics or partnerships. Transactional apps like marketplaces places, or payment processors earn through fees. Each model has its own balance between users' experience and monetization pressures. Free works because the word free triggers powerful psychological responses. Users are more likely to download, engage, and share when there is no upfront cost. But this also lowers the threshold for impulsive use and data sharing. The illusion of zero cost make users less cautious. And that's exactly what these business models depend on. The journey starts with discovery, often through app store rankings or social media. Then comes onboarding, where users are encouraged to grant permissions and personalize their experience online. Over time, engagement loops, notifications, rewards, and streaks keep the users active. Finally, monetization moments appear ads, upgrades, or data collection. The journey is designed to maximize lifetime value, not just satisfaction. One lesson learned: there's no such thing as a free lunch. Someone always pays. In ad supported models, advertisers fund the app, but users pay with their attention and detail. In freemium models, a small percentage of paying users subsidize the rest. In data driven models, third parties pay for insights. The cost is distributed, but the value extraction is constant. Let's break down a typical free app using the business model canvas. Your key partners are your advertisers, your data brokers, and payment processors. Your key activities consist of user acquisitions, engagement, data analytics. The value proposition entails free access, convenience, entertainment. Our customer segments consist of users, advertisers, and data buyers. Revenue streams are generated by ads, subscriptions, in app purchases, data sales. This framework reveals how free is just one side of a multi layered business system. Our strength, weaknesses, opportunity, and threat analysis of the freemium model are the strengths include massive reach, low entry barriers, and scalable revenue, while the weaknesses involve user mistrust, privacy concerns, and ad fatigue. The opportunities lie in ethical monetization, transparency, and hybrid models. Threats include regulation, competition, and shifting user expectation. Understanding these dynamics can help businesses adapt and innovate responsibly. The key takeaway is that free is a strategic choice, not a gift. It's a gateway to monetization through data, engagement, and behavioral economics for professionals. The challenge is to design models that balance profitability with transparency and trust. The future belongs to apps that make the value exchange clear, where users know exactly what they're getting and what they're getting. Thank you.